So my problem is I've got this lower door pocket which needs to be fixed, replaced, because it's got holes all the way through it. How would you go about this? I have limited tools. I have some panel beating tools, dollies, but would you make it in 3 sections, the corners separate and the center section as one piece that I could fold up? I could use this as a guide to do the folding and hammer and dolly it to shape. Is there a better way of bending such a large curve like this with limited tools and capabilities? Yes. Should I make a paper template and wrap it around the back of it and then unfold that, cut it into bits? What's the best way to tackle such a door pocket? Let me know, please. Comment below. I'd love some handy tips. Thank you.